Hi, I'm Prerna Reddy. I'm the director of the Talk and Learn Rehabilitation Center, Hyderabad. Today I'm going to talk about 5 signs or the general signs when you see you should consider your child for speech therapy. The first sign that I often tell my parents is having very limited eye contact, attention, not looking at the parent's face when the parent is talking, thereby not picking up language. It can be a very major sign that the child needs speech therapy. The second thing is that not having real words until the age of 18 months. What do I mean by real words? That is referentially looking at the object. Suppose if they say ball, looking at the ball, pointing to the ball and saying the word ball. These are real words. Looking at mama, smiling towards mama and saying mama. So then that's a real word. Now if these words are not developed until 18 months of age, then the child should be considered for speech therapy. The third thing that you should see, that is the child having command following. That means is the child understanding small instructions that you give to the child. If you tell to the child, take it, stop, sit, come, don't do that, no, 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 even put it there. Even these are small and very simple commands that we start giving when as the child approaches 12 to 18 months of age. Now if the child is not picking up these or is not understanding, thereby he is not understanding language at all, thereby production is not there. So if your child has very poor understanding or is not following even small commands, it means that the child requires speech therapy. The fourth thing that you should see is that is the child not growing in vocabulary. That means at 12 months of age, you see around 10 words, 5 to 8 words often you see. At 18 months of age, you should see these words becoming up to 50 words. Until 24 months of age, you should start seeing that the child starts using pronouns, as it telling self as nenu, I, me, and also start you combining words to make them 2-word sentences. Also should have some amount of 2-word phrases. So if you're seeing the language is growing with age, if you see that the child has some real words and if the language is not growing, that it is a sign that the child is not picking up enough language and it requires speech therapy. The last thing that you can consider speech therapy is that the child has some language, is able to speak in broken sentences, but even by the age of 3 to 4, the child does not have clear sentences and good established grammar. If you see that, even that is a sign that the child requires speech therapy. So if you often see such things in a child, you should consult a speech language pathologist as early as 18 months, because early intervention is the best kind of intervention. When we stimulate the child early and we change the child's environment early, the chances that the child develop language are huge. So consult your speech language pathologist. Don't wait for the myth that language will come at 3 to 4 years of age. Your father spoke late, your mother spoke late, you will speak late. It's not true. Thank you.